KSA Bakalia holds Fire Torch rally in town, submits memorandum for fulfillment of demands. Langtat holds event to honor Ru Rangsina Sarpo. Good morning and a very happy Merry Christmas to you all from the entire team of Karbi Anglong Live News. I'm Julie Baby with the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. The Karbi Students Association Bakalia District Committee on Thursday evening organized a fire torch rally in demand for immediate implementation of its several points. The fire torch was held at 6 p.m. and a memorandum on their demand address to Assam Chief Minister was also submitted to Bakalia Police Station OC Manjit Terang. Led by KSA CEC Secretary Biswa Jyoti Teron, the candlelight protest rally was held in demand for immediate solution to its various demands, including interstate and interdistrict border issues, upgradation of Dipu Government College, and introduction of science and commerce streams at Rangsina and Waisong College in Dongkamakam and Hamran respectively. Immediate cancellation Panchayati Raj in the 6 settled areas and increase of various departments in the Assam University Dipu campus.
Higher secondary school Patulong Klam Long Pen, Golong Komaji Police Station on Penny Arnikang Samapor, Metheng Tom, a procession Deng Nang Kok, La Banke Jasamet Pet Penny, Elitum Kaching Hon, Assam Kachari, Chief Minister Akihai Servananda Sonowala Pan Panongsi Litum Pini Pinpura Loop Pajirko through Bukolia Police Station Officer in charge of the Bensi Pajirko Nilitum Pini Labangso a program arranged nang kok mate song nang kok abangke itum langdam nang Karbiang Long itum pan tonga district hiang bong sitami itum apan West Karbiang Long ason ana district hiang bong sitami college long privet situ labangso long pliang bong pen Isivet provincialized college Dongkamakam long gitu la isivet lapen lapu East Karbiang Long lang lo pulutang te litum dak provincialized college long thom lapusan sit heglong sitami pini ang tanjong silang dam putang te litum provincialized college do pignang lang lapen litum dak kamang humeme naya lama bangke kedamtang arnisi Bodoland BTR government swearing in ceremony hut Hemonto Biswa Sarma Education Minister Kaningje ke BTR area 40 constituencies dola 40 constituencies along ke Akimi college isia constituency tinta isia college pilapi pusi alangli pangdak lo boy bisa me pililitum Karbiang Long 26 constituencies do sa 26 constituencies along ta pinyar nilitum along tina constituencies along ta college at ke nindu to melam lo.
Wilson Terang's report from Volongkomaji for Karbi Anglong Live. The Dongmuka Karbi Farmers Association unit on Thursday released their new calendar. The organization's calendar was released at its annual meet program, which was held at Ru Samson Singh Inti Open Stage in Kangti Langsuk Waterfall. The KFA program was led by Dongmuka KFA President Chong Teron, Secretary Minarson Pangcho, and was graced as invited guests Karbi film artist Saribon Bepi and Karbi Anglong Live local correspondent Bikram Teron. Dongmuka unit's calendar was released in presence of its Central Committee President Tinku Ingti, General Secretary Soron Singh Ronghang, and others. The calendar releasing event and the meet concluded with luncheon program. Bikram Teron's report from Danarong for Karbi Anglong Live. Karbi Anglong ra doan aphan Karbi Anglong Live a hinpen Christmas akardong nang pajuriklo.
Bangso Christmas penajok longri arlo kithir thep amonsam kedoji aphan kadu kawi aphanta hempu jisu aherjumi nang hangpilo. Lase bangso arni kithirni Ningkarong Chipidono nang. Happy Merry Christmas.
With an aim to seek the blessings of Ru Rangsina Sarpo, the legendary teacher of music to the Karbis, an event has kicked off at Langtat to honor him. Here is a report from our correspondent. The event began on Tuesday and will wind up today. The program is being held under the initiative of Karbi Folk Singers and Monks Association. During this 3-day-long event, several sessions are being held to discuss Karbi folk songs, folk tales, and other important issues related to Karbi traditional culture. The first day of the event was attended as the chief guest by number 20 Baita Langso MLA Dr. Mansingh Rongpi. He formally inaugurated the program. The organizing committee also submitted a memorandum to the MLA. The event was also attended by KAAC PHE Board Chairman Ren Singh Ronghang, Kangbura Teron, BJYM member Purna Ronghang, and Mohila Morcha member Rohila Kropi. Mohan Teron from Pelangpi for Karbi Anglong Live. With the arrival of 25 Jambili Athons or Karbi Totem, the first Chomangkan in Webini Ingti village was held from the 20th to 24th of December 2020. Here is a brief report. Karbis have always believed in the life after death, a life in the world of afterlife which they call Chom Arong. Descendants of deceased ancestors have always had the tradition of paying homage and honoring their ancestors to seek their blessings through a ritual named Chomangkan, a tradition which was initiated by Tireng Bangreng, the person who was able to travel between the world of life and death. One such Chomangkan was held at Tarabasa, Waibini Ingti village. During ritual, Amri Rongpi, Kasang Timong, Sarthe Rongpi, Pabitra Rongpi, Ritupon Rongpi, and Jilison Rongpi were paid homage and honor. Their descendants also prayed for the peace of their ancestors and also sought blessings. Several youths from all over Karbi Anglong came to attend the ritual. On being asked, the youths told that they were there because of the belief that it is compulsory for a Karbis to perform Nimso Kirung dance in at least 3 Chomangkans to be regarded as a mature youth.
Asap-sap nang pacini te ya asap mane kadu beta nang pacini te tabang so Chomangkan gen kanang ko kabangke ako hut ilitum Karbi atum karbakatum nang plang lo nang pilo nang plang nang pi penke ilitum tanang chan lo nang jar lo klasi amat englong du thip arlok du thip tipling dorjot pelang eng dorjot nang dolo iar nam pen du chi julo iar nam atum ke abura krem atum ke bangke abid du ko ken du ko an Karbi atum ke abid ken ave masi bangke chongwang su teroi no ka su teroi anamat Karbi atum bangke abid ave ken ave mati pli rot akati pelang rot akati simrot ang porot akati longchong le chiti bin longchong berap thip long ile chiti bin long e berap thip anamat si laan thi chiboy yang chiboy gidu long hu palam the long bur palam the chiprin de chiplong ne dulo
Bini jamli thong dak arong aje na pidu riso jang atma arong aje na pidu jamli thong ke thong koira bi koira
Dirjuna Rongpi from Puloni, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that is all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day and a blessed day.